Welcome back to RSG Online 2021 students, and in this session 35 I am speaking on objectives of personal appraisal. Personal appraisal, how exactly I want to tell you about how this in my earlier videos we discussed about what is performance appraisal and why this should be done. I mean, what is the definition of it and what exactly the meaning of it and all. And now I am straight away speaking on the objectives of personal appraisals. See, when we talk about the meaning and definition of personal appraisals, that was a recapitulation. Let me move on to this. The learning objectives tells us that it provides information about the objectives of performance appraisals in an organization. It also facilitates the information necessary to understand the scope of the same in any organization. Yes. And coming to the objectives of performance appraisal. Now look at this. As I told you, appraisal should be there in any organization. As I told you, see how the competition is so important to maintain the quality. If there is no competition, the people stay like anything. They are the ultimate. It leads to monopoly, and the people will never bother about the quality and the society at all. So there is a need for competition. The same way, appraisals have to be there. When there is an evaluation, appraisal. See, when there is an examination and test, only the students study. Otherwise, will the students study? No. The same way here, appraisals, based on the appraisals, based on their efforts and sincerity, only the certain benefits in the organization should be given. Then that will makes the others, the employees also get motivated and they do their best. So there should be an appraisal. So, and what the very objective is, it is to provide feedback, to diagnose the strengths and weaknesses. Yes. So through the appraisals we'll come to know this. To provide coaching and counseling. Suppose if we come to know that there is a problem with an employee relating to his mental stability or inconsistency or any frustrations or disinterest, fatigue, illness or whatever. In all such cases, the coaching and counseling is required to develop positive superior-subordinate relationship. So whenever we talk about the superior-subordinate relationship, it should be positive as far as possible. And if it is not positive, that won't end up in giving you the best of the results. So it is very important to develop the same. To facilitate research, the people have to understand how the research work has to be taken care and all. To test the effectiveness of the recruitment. Yeah, you should know that the people whom you have taken for the job is quite suitable to the job or not. To provide a valid database. And these are the objectives you can go through to maintain records in order to determine compensation packages, wage structures, salary rises, etc. See, we need to know about the actual, the talent, the performance, the sincerity, the loyalty, all these things put in together, brought by the employee, so that I can decide about his compensation package, his wage structure, his salary rise and all that. So it is very important to identify the strengths and weakness of the employees to place the right men on the right job. As you all know that we have to always worry about putting the right people on the right job at the right time also. That's a basic thing. Otherwise it is difficult to reach our goal on time. To maintain and assess the potential present in a person for further growth and development. To provide a feedback to employees regarding their performance and related status. To provide a feedback to employees regarding their performance and related status. Yes, it's repeated. It serves as a basis for influencing working habits of the employees. To review and retain the promotion and other training programs. Very important. We need to retain and as well as to review the promotional and other training programs. The scope for performance appraisal. See here, it provides the performance feedback. It decides employees' compensation, validation of selection process, identify employees' training needs. It motivates the employees. It helps in promotion and demotions. And it facilitates what? Communication. These are the references I have made, students. Coming to multiple choice question. Performance appraisals helps to know the compensation packages. Is our statement right? Of course it is right. The correct answer is C. And performance appraisal provides the casting coaching, counseling and coaching, custom. Yeah, of course it is counseling and coaching. The answer must be B. So we have come to the session outcome, students. It has facilitated with the information relating to the objectives of performance appraisal and of course the scope of this employee appraisals in any organization. Hope this video has come to your help, and for the further more videos, please stay tuned and log on to RSG Online 2021.